Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dropbox Sign for contract workflow strategy step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Dropbox Sign. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Dropbox Sign homepage. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first input field. After that, enter your password in the second input field. Double-check the credentials for accuracy. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Next, click the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email for password recovery. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can navigate to your contract workflow settings. If you need to create a new workflow, look for the Create button on your dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new contract workflow. Fill in the required fields for your contract. Upload any necessary documents needed for the workflow. Once everything is set, review your entries for accuracy. Finally, click the Save button to finalize your settings. Your contract workflow strategy is now ready to use in Dropbox Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.